Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what to do if you Venmo wrong person. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do if you have accidentally sent money to the wrong person on Venmo, politely request a refund from the recipient. Contact the person. The first and most important step is to reach out to the person if you accidentally sent your money to and request a refund. Send a follow-up message. If the person doesn't respond to your first message, send a follow-up explaining the situation clearly. Some users may not check Venmo frequently, so giving them time to respond is important. Then check the payment details. Double check that the person you paid is the wrong one. If you have only sent a partial payment or selected the wrong friend with a similar name, it can help to clarify with the correct person. If the recipient doesn't respond, contact Venmo Support. If the person doesn't support or refuses to return the money, you can contact Venmo customer support for assistance through Venmo, though Venmo cannot guarantee a refund if the transaction was voluntary and to the wrong person. While Venmo typically cannot reverse payment that were sent voluntarily, they can investigate the case and provide advice and assistance. If you paid for goods or service and were scammed, if the payment was goods or services and the wrong person scammed you and you opted for Venmo purchase protection, you can open a dispute. And prevention tips for the future is double check your recipient username, send a small test payment, add a memo, and if the recipient refuses to refund, Venmo typically cannot forcibly reverse the transaction once it's completed, but they can provide you advice and assistance. And that's basically what you can do. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.